You already learned how do you work with this smart dimension. There are lots of other dimension tool available. If I go to this drop down menu, you can get there are lots of other dimension tools available. And in this lesson I will work with two tools, that is called horizontal ordinate dimension and another one is vertical ordinate dimension tool. First I will work with the horizontal ordinate dimension tool. When I activate this thing, now to use this horizontal ordinate dimension, first I have to mention the first 0 point. Suppose this is my 0 point. First I mention this point, then based on this point, this SolidWoks will give me the dimension. Suppose first I select this point, then this point, then this point. By this way I can put the dimension quickly, and here I can modify the dimension. Suppose this is 100 something, so I make this to 100, and the one this is 225, and the one this will be 300. So very quickest way I can make this ordinate dimension in the horizontal way. If I want to put the ordinate dimension in the vertical direction, then I can activate this vertical ordinate dimension from this icon. After activating this icon, I have to select the 0 point, which will be the reference as a 0. After putting this point as a 0, then I have to put the dimension. First I will put the dimension for this line, so I will select this point, then this point. By this way you can make the dimension using horizontal ordinate dimension and vertical ordinate dimension. But sometimes it may happen to you, you put your dimension here, but you missed 2 dimension for this 2. How do you add these 2 dimension in this horizontal ordinate dimension? It's very easy. Just select your horizontal ordinate dimension and just right click and go at the bottom. You cannot see in my window. Just go at the bottom, you can see that is add to ordinate. When I press add to ordinate, I can again add the dimension in this horizontal ordinate dimension. I can select this point and this point, and I will change this to 145, sorry. By this way you can use this ordinate dimension, this horizontal and vertical.